Hey going guys, Dave from AllBrand Caravan Services. Today behind me I'm working on this creative caravan that came into us for an insurance job for hail damage on the front, roof and side of the van. Now while the van was here, before we start on any van we do a free visual inspection. So on that inspection we actually found that the front matting had deteriorating and actually caused cracking, which caused water ingress to get in behind it and actually rot out the bottom corners of this van. So if you do have a van with vinyl matting on the front, just take note when you're looking at your van next to make sure that you don't have any cracking or imperfections in the matting itself, because there's a good chance that water ingress could come behind there and actually start rotting out your internal ply and framework. So if you guys have any questions, give us a call and we'll be able to help you out the best we can. Thanks guys.